Hey guys, how are you? Okay, so today we're gonna create this cut crease look and I'll show you my tool. It's a magic tool. Ready? Ready? Spoon. That's it. It's all I use to do this cut crease look and to make it look perfect with the Addiction palette #1. I love these shades with the browns. I think they just look very nice and classy. So I'm basically gonna recreate what's already on my eye here for you. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with the shade Sincere, and we're going to use this to kind of build up our base. So as you'll see, I'm not really using the spoon just yet. I'm kind of just putting this, I'm not putting it on the lid, more the crease and just building it up towards the brow. This is just going to kind of give everything the illusion where one shade doesn't really end and the next one starts. I mean, it is going to be a little bit darker, but I like everything to blend nicely. Okay, so next we're going to go in with the shade Fourth Right while holding the spoon onto the lid. So I'll show you here. That's Fourth Right. That's the medium tone. This is going to kind of start to build our crease. So we're going to put this in. I hold the spoon right to my eye. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just more or less like right into like where the socket area is, so that where your bone is. That's where we're kind of building the crease on. Then you kind of can just blend that out. But obviously with using the spoon, it's going to keep it from getting all over the crease, and then we can blend it up from there. Then while using Unique's crease brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Fourth Right, which is almost as dark as it gets in this palette. Again with the spoon, and it doesn't really matter which way you hold it, but again with the spoon, we're going to kind of draw in that crease line a little bit darker, and then again kind of blend it up a little, still using the same crease brush. Okay, and here's the fun part. So I'm going to take the concealer on my concealer brush, and only a teeny tiny, see how tiny amount that is, 2 little tiny dabs, and then I'm going to just kind of literally draw in my eyelid. So this is going to give that nice sharp line, which is what you're going for with this look. And then that does take a second to dry, but you draw that in nicely, and then while that dries, you don't have to dance. I was probably jamming out to a song. I'm going to go back in with Fourth Right and Zealous, and I'm going to combine the two, and I'm going to kind of just draw in my lower lash line here. That's usually what I do. I'll wait for it to dry. It doesn't take long. It just takes a minute. And then, so that's also where I want to connect everything. I don't want things to just end. I don't like that. I like to blend it all together. So I am connecting my crease color with my eyeliner, and I'm also taking in the eyeliner brush just to kind of give some more depth right at my waterline. Same colors, just kind of giving a little more depth and then fixing the corner there. Okay, next we're going to go in with Sincere, and we're going to take, literally just going to take my finger here, and I'm going to just pat on the shade right onto the concealer. Like I said, it literally only takes a couple seconds for the concealer to dry, and then you can pack the shade right onto it. It makes like a perfect primer, right? And it's going to brighten up that color as well. Then I just kind of go back in with that same eyeliner brush and just kind of fix everything up. I'm still taking that brassy shade, packing it into the corner there because I like the corners of my eyes to be brighter. Makes your eyes look more open. And then I'm blending in, because if you ever notice, I don't take my eyeliner all the way over. I blend the middle color, the lighter color I should say, right at where my lashes end with the darker color, and that's kind of how I create that. It does make your eyes look more natural, more open. And honestly, it makes them look bigger. So if you have smaller eyes, it does help them make they look a little bit bigger. Now we're going to add some Waterproof Epic mascara onto the lashes. This is going to be an all-day lasting mascara. Literally, go ahead, cry. See if you can get it off, because I cry all the time and I never, it never goes anywhere, which is awesome. So this is one of my favorite products. Last but not least, we're gonna just take our liquid eyeliner in the shade Prominent, which is our brown shade, and I'm just gonna draw that on. This is our dip and draw eyeliner. Again, the shade Prominent. This I think makes for a very nice day look. If you want this more dramatic, then obviously we would want to use darker grays and blacks and maybe the shade Perfect, but any cleanup you need, you've already got a little bit of concealer left on your concealer brush, so you can kind of just clean up any fallout underneath the eye, and then you are done.